If you've been wondering how to create a project in ChatGPT, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can organize your work, keep related files together, and make your chats much easier to manage. Projects are a great way to group topics, add supporting files, and keep everything focused in one place. So if you use ChatGPT for school, work, content creation, research, or planning, this feature can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this tutorial helps you, and subscribe for more simple AI and software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to ChatGPT. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Projects section. Depending on your layout, it may be visible on the sidebar or in the main dashboard area. Click on Projects to open the project workspace. Now you'll see the option to create a new project. Go ahead and name your project something clear and easy to remember. For example, you can name it based on a client, a school subject, a content idea, or a research topic. A good project name helps you stay organized later, especially if you plan to create multiple projects inside ChatGPT. After entering the name, click Create Project. This will open your new project and take you into the setup screen. The next important step is to add sources. Click on Sources, because this is where you can upload or attach supporting files that ChatGPT can use inside the project. If you have PDF files, notes, documents, or any other relevant materials, this is where you want to add them. Click Add, then upload the files related to your project. This is extremely useful because it gives ChatGPT more context and helps it respond more accurately based on your source material. Once your files are added, go back to the main project area and click on Chats. This is where the real work starts. Inside the chat, you can begin asking questions, generating content, summarizing documents, or working through your tasks step by step. The best part is that everything stays connected to the same project, so you don't have to keep re-uploading files or repeating your setup every time. Now start your chat and begin typing your prompt. You can ask ChatGPT to review your documents, help you brainstorm ideas, organize information, or create a plan based on the sources you added. If you're working on something long-term, this makes the workflow much smoother and much more efficient. As a quick tip, try giving your project a very specific purpose. Instead of naming it something vague, make it descriptive so you can instantly recognize it later. Also, when you upload files, choose the most relevant ones so your project stays clean and focused. That way, ChatGPT has exactly what it needs without unnecessary clutter. And that's how you create a project in ChatGPT. It's simple, fast, and incredibly useful once you understand how to set it up properly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.